E te iwi, we've come to the end of Te Kōnai Tuarua. We hope you've gained valuable insights into whānau ora and how it's actioned in this rohe.
In this kōnai, we have heard of instances where whānau ora has had positive outcomes for whānau, but not necessarily led to system-level change. We'll be exploring this later in the resource.
Whānau ora underpins everything we do at Te Tihi. But how it is actioned in your rohe and what is tika for whānau based there will be different. In your wānanga, here are some pātai to consider. How are the whānau ora outcomes actioned in your rohe? What is working well? How can whānau ora be further advanced for your rohe?
Before we move on to our next kōnai, here are some parting whakaaro.
I just want to sort of say to our people, dream and inspire for the most audacious dreams that you want in your life and go for it. Don't let anybody else tell you you can't. We have an opportunity from this day on to influence what our life is going to look like for not only us, for our children, for our futures, for our generations to come. And whānau ora is a pathway that we can start doing that and actualising it.
I would like people to know that whānau can be resilient. With the right support, they can be resilient. We need to stop looking at whānau Māori as if there's something mad, bad or sad with them. There is not. All they need is with the right support to be able to fly. And for so long, when you're told that you're not achieving, that you're underachieving, then I think sometimes that gets into the psyche of whānau. And I'm here to say to whānau that that is not the case. I'm here to say to the providers, you're doing great. If there's anything more that is required, we're there for our providers as well.
Whānau ora has been needed because it's been part of our journey and development as Māori. It's a part of the pathway. It may not be called whānau ora in 20 years. It may actually be something different that we've moved across and along that continuum, and we have something else that is descriptive of the context that we're living in. I think whānau ora has been a great platform for that kind of next part of our journey.